Lesson number 10 of 43. Keep showing up because you never know who is watching you. 14 years ago, after moving to Canada, I was starting over from scratch. When I finally got my very first apartment, my superintendent has been watching me. She told me someone had moved out and left behind a few household items. She knew I was a newcomer and asked if I wanted to take a look. I went. The very first thing that caught my eye was a Lagostina soup pot. I had seen the Lagostina cookware in stores before and I knew it was a quality brand. But at that point in my life, I couldn't afford one. So I brought it home, brand new secondhand, gave it a really good cleaning and scrubbing. And for the last 14 years, it's been my go-to soup pot. Every time I make soup, I'm reminded of how far I've come. Fast forward to today. A few weeks ago, I opened my email and saw an invitation to collaborate with Lagostina as part of their 125-year limited edition campaign. I honestly couldn't believe it. The same brand that was part of my new beginning in Canada was now inviting me to share my story. It reminded me of something I hope you will never forget. Keep showing up, keep creating, keep sharing your story because you never know who is watching and you never know how God is quietly working behind the scenes. Sometimes the things that seem small today become the very moments that come full circle years later. And that's lesson number 10 of 43.